Mr. Williams, come smell this. I know they smell like that. It smell like a demonic entity is among us. This is worse than tear gas, because this gas definitely got me in tears. The military need to bottle up some of these smells and use them as sneak attacks. The enemy definitely won't know what hit him. I'm gonna have to invent some pencils that come with air freshening erasers on them. What kind of cologne is that? Whatever it is, you put it entirely too much on. That ain't juke, that's poop. These smells ain't in the curriculum. I'm gonna need a nostrilectomy. What kind of stench is this? Son, do you have an upset stomach? It's a level 3 offense stench. Did you poo-poo? That's when you poop, but a little speck of boo-boo come out. Is that me? Son, you got a stink bug in your lunch kit? Who been playing Fortnite? Smelly shark doo 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 doo. What you been eating? Poo loops? Pooty peppers? Poo roll-ups?
Mr. Brown, what's wrong?
The atmosphere, son. It's spiked with unfairness.
I finesse down Western Road, hey, next. Might go down to G.O.D.